Namaskar, myself Suren Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you to our daily weather briefing program today, that is 30th November 2023. Here you can see the observed rainfall during past 24 hours. The orange color indicate heavy to very heavy rainfall was occurred over northern parts of Tamil Nadu and southern parts of Rayalaseema. Here you can see Tamil Nadu was received 19 centimeter and Rayalaseema received 14 centimeter maximum rainfall during past 24 hours. This is the highlight of presentation. The well-marked low pressure area lies over southeast Bay of Bengal. It is likely to intensify into depression over the same region, and it is likely to further intensify as a cyclonic storm around 3rd December. And the wet spell with thunderstorm activity over Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra likely to continue during next 2 days, and western disturbance continue to affect western Himalayan region and adjoining plains of northwest India during next 24 hours. This is the synoptic system of today. You can see that well-marked low pressure area lies over southeast Bay of Bengal, and one cyclonic circulation lies over southwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining south Sri Lanka coast, and WD as a trough lies over Afghanistan to Pakistan, and due to this a induced cyclonic circulation form over northwest Rajasthan, and one trough from southwest Madhya Pradesh to that Saisar over northwest Rajasthan, and one cyclonic circulation lies over northeast Arabian Sea of Maharashtra coast. Due to this is the heavy rainfall, fog and hailstorm warning. You can see for day 1 that heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over Tamil Nadu, and heavy rainfall over Rayalaseema and Kerala, Andaman Nicobar Island, especially Nicobar Island, and this orange color shows Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha is likely to expected hailstorm today, and that fog is likely to occurrence over Haryana, Punjab and northern part of Rajasthan day 1 and day 2, and heavy rainfall or snowfall likely to expected over J&K today. That tomorrow, that is 1st December, heavy rainfall likely to continue over Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andaman Nicobar, and fog over that Punjab, Haryana, especially northern Haryana, Punjab and northern part of Rajasthan. On day 3, heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to expected over Tamil Nadu, especially northern part of Tamil Nadu, and on day 4, that is 3rd December, heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over Tamil Nadu and especially northern Tamil Nadu, and heavy to very heavy rainfall over southern parts of CAP, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and heavy rainfall over Rayalaseema. On day 5, that is 4th December, you can see that heavy to heavy rainfall, especially northern parts of Tamil Nadu, southern parts of CAP and southern parts of Rayalaseema is likely to expected. And this is the track forecast for that system, which is likely to intensify into a depression during tomorrow morning, and it is likely to further intensify as a cyclonic storm on 3rd morning, and it would likely move northwestward and reach North Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh coast around early morning of 4th December as a cyclonic storm. This is the fisherman graphics warning. You can see that today for southeast and south Andaman Sea, tomorrow for especially southeast and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal, and day after tomorrow, that is day 3, it is further intensify as a depression or squall event 50 to 60 over that southeast and adjoining area. On day 4, it is likely to become CS and it cover over southwest and west central Bay of Bengal, same and day 5 southwest and west central along end of northern part of Tamil Nadu and south CAP or entire CAP. So fishermen are advised not to venture in these particular areas on particular date. And thank you very much all of you to listening me. Namaskar.